This system is a poor design, crappy valves, and a bad shutoff valve. Let's get them right. Cleared out the area to see what we are dealing with. Moving the valves to this side so I can tunnel under the concrete new pipes. Cut out this old setup. You guessed it, trash. New ball valve and brass nipple. Mainline is all tied in, valves are looking clean. Looking good. Already water blasted under the concrete, ran 2 pipes. This side is all done. Let's backfill so we can finish the sprinklers in the yard area. Backfilled and everything put back how they had it. They added the plug, so I will install a timer here as well. Ugh, this guy.